Hey Team Direction, today I just wanted to cover a question that we're getting asked a lot at the moment, and that's what's the best receipt capture app on the market? There's a number of different apps that people are using, jumping on app stores and downloading everything from free to paid, but there's two predominant ones in the accounting industry that we use with clients and that most accountants use with their clients, and that's Receiptbank and Hubdoc. So I just wanted to take you through a little bit of our view on which is the best and which one you should be choosing. So the first is Hubdoc. Now Hubdoc was a real favourite, was purchased by Xero and made part of the Xero product. So now within Xero you have access to Hubdoc as part of your typical subscription. There are some subscriptions that don't include Hubdoc, but they're typically the smaller end ones. Now, Hubdoc comes with an app that you can download as well as the desktop interface for you to be able to deal with your receipts. The other option is Receiptbank, and Receiptbank is probably the superior of the two products, and I'll go into why shortly. Receiptbank, the cost is higher, not included as part of a Xero subscription or a MyOb for that matter. And basically you're going to be paying for the one user version on an annual subscription $15 plus GST a month, and for the business subscription, which gives you more transactions to put through, more users, you're going to be paying around about $30 a month plus GST. Why is Receiptbank better? It all comes down to the app for me. I do a lot of receipt capture through Receiptbank for our business, and I find that the app is a lot more intuitive and a lot easier to work through. A simple example of that would be when you're actually wanting to go through the various receipts, you can go through them on your phone and add information as you go along. Whereas Hubdoc starts to put things in folders. When you go into the app, you've got to log into different files and so on, and it's just clunky. So when we decide to put clients onto a product, we always look at how much they're actually going to be using it, whether they're going to be using a mobile or a desktop interface, and or a browser-based interface, and then make some decisions in and around that, around cost effectiveness. For me, Receiptbank trumps all the others. It is a better product. Hubdoc's there if you've already got a Xero subscription. Probably start using Hubdoc and just get used to receipt capture. And the other products also have receipt capture. QuickBooks and MyOb also have their own feature. One thing a lot of people don't know is Xero actually has a files element built into it in addition to Hubdoc, which can be advantageous if you're just wanting to connect some documentation to particular transactions. So that's another thing to look out for as well. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a view as to what's out there. If you do have any questions in regards to receipt capture, why you should be using it and what the best product is for your circumstance, feel free to comment below or get hold of us in the usual ways, email, website or our socials, and we'll be able to help you get through all of the products that are out there and pick the best one for you. Talk soon.